I'm actually going to do it in the mirror because I want to see the angle. Sorry. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Hello everyone. I've moved my camera to a new position. I must tighten this first. Okay, we'll see how that goes. I don't think the wind's going to blow it that way. Now I won't bonk you when you hug me on that side. Okay, bye. I said you can hug me like this, and now there's not a camera over there.
Wait, what? Oh, you hooked it on your chin?
Yeah, chin mount, bro.
Oh.
Jacob Heisterkamp made fun of me because I have all these cameras sticking off my head. So I was like, well,
That looks way better.
does it look better?
You need to do the side and remember back.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, bye. All right, well, kids think it looks way better, so. Okay, we're going to Smoky Row. Oh, I need my gloves. Need my gloves, need my gloves, need my gloves. And I need to install that phone mount and the USB power supply. Hi, sorry, I need my gloves. Wonder how it sounds. Oop. I moved my microphone to the other side because it has to be routed to the other side. So hopefully that's not messed up. I think I have a fast bike and I live close to the coffee shop. No SD card. This is not going the way I'd planned. Got the memory card. Yeah, well. Bye. I can definitely feel the better balance on my helmet. So it'd be really nice to have the other one in a better spot. Although now, can I see it recording? Oh yeah, I can. It'd be fun trying to hit this button on the back of my head. Okay, all three cameras are recording. I hope this one is straight. Well, I hope this perspective is okay for you guys. I feel like it's going to be lower. Okay, well, I have 5 minutes to get there. Super glad it's nice out. I gotta get used to being able to see. I can kind of see the top of the media mod. So there won't be as much riding this week. It's my anniversary and my son's birthday. So I have a couple days off and I'm more of a daily driver to work, not a weekend warrior. Is this place even open? Superstar parking. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There's Ian right there. Broski. Broski.
Yo.
Look at that clean ride.
Huh?
Look at that clean ride. Last video you were in the BMW.
I was?
Yeah. Yeah, now you got a Honda.
Hold a car.
Oh, two-door Honda.
A little Accord coupe.
Yeah. V6 baby.
And I put a cold air intake.
Ooh.
Not that it does much, but I get better gas mileage.
Oh, okay.
So that's cool. And it sounds cooler.
Nice.
So that's a win.
You gonna get exhaust?
I'm tempted to.
Yeah. Make it a sleeper.
I know.
Put a turbo on it and then.
Do.
Yeah.
I think that'd be so cool.
That's what I do.
Band.
I'm a sleeper. No,
You are?
Nope. Pretty obvious. I just moved my GoPro this morning from here to here.
On the chin?
Yeah, chin mount.
Is it better?
I don't know yet. I haven't looked at the footage.
Oh, well.
I'm like, I hope I have it at a good angle. Wow, this place is dead. What is up with that? Yep, looks like we're recording. So, we need to see how this footage looks. We need to format the memory card on the Hero 4. We need to still move the Pocket to the back, which I need to get some adapters for. Someone's calling me. I need to get my phone mount figured out. I feel a little more nimble with my head now that that camera's not over there. I just wonder if my arms are like in the shot more, or if they're gonna be a problem. Whoa, what's going on here? We got a crash. Somebody rear-ended somebody else. So now when I turn my head to the side, I can feel the GoPro catch the wind a little bit, where before it was like blowing here and kind of catching. So I do feel much more comfortable though. Okay, well, I can't do that. Bro. 91. This is horrible. Better let the bike warm up a little. Okay, cameras are all rolling. I should start saying something about that. Maybe that would help align them better. I mean, they align really well. If you use Final Cut Pro. Hi. If you use Final Cut Pro, I'm used to tipping down to check it's recording. You can align all of the files based on their audio. So it's helpful. That's why movies, you know, they use that clicker thing. Action! Because it makes a click sound, and then they can hear and see it on the recordings on multiple cameras and then line them all up. Well, Final Cut Pro does that automatically based on audio. Well, it has to hear something in all three for that to happen, right? So I feel like I get less airflow with the camera right there. Maybe not. Maybe it's just hot out. So if I were to say camera 1, action, camera 2, action, as the cameras would come on, there'd be an audio recording that would then be on all three, as long as you can hear them all. So like right now, the two exterior microphones aren't hearing what the interior is when it comes to voice, but the interior is hearing the engine, and there's enough of a pattern that they all line up. I'll show you. Here's what it looks like on my screen when I'm editing. You can see where usually I can see where I'm talking, of course, on the internal mic, but on the external mics, you know, when I do this, when I go up here and I go to slow down, right before I slow down, I always get this little rev. It's kind of like to let people around me know that I'm there. So I'll just like give a little rev. Well, all three mics can hear that. Or like when my visor shuts, which is perfect. I use that all the time to line stuff up visually and audio, because you can see the peak with the snap. But you can also see right the frame that it closes. So sometimes if I want to get it exactly on the frame, I'll watch all three cameras, although the back one can't see it, but it's usually not the one that's off. But I can see, now I can't see it because my GoPro used to be on the side, but now it's down here, so it's not going to see it shut. It's just going to hear it shut. Hey, there's Baxter. That's where I saw him the other day. Coming right through here. Oh, he's going to hit the red light. Why is this guy going backwards? He'd go backwards. I really want to get a couple more mounts. I'm going to get some mounts with my 360 camera when I buy it. So I think I'm going to just mount the 360 right here. And then I'm going to take this camera and use their mounts and pointed at some fun places. Like, it'd really be cool. I wonder what the frames per second that can do on 1080. Because if it could do 120 at 1080, I could put it like on the tire when I do a burnout or something, or I don't know, when I do different things, we could get some different shots on the tire, shifting, clutch, brake, front tire, low to the ground, like some different stuff, and just kind of change it up, because the clamp that comes with the 360 is like super easy to change. It's like a little clamp. Okay, that sounds dumb. It sounds like a lawnmower. Can you wave when you're, you know, ape hanger? He nodded, but I was just wondering. I think you can. You don't have to have your hands on both handlebars for an ape hanger. I bet it's a lot easier to keep both hands. You're on a scooter. You're on a scooter. This person in front of me, not impressed with their driving. So far they've driven really slow. Lots of people have kind of cut them off. They weren't using their blinker, although they are now. Then they stopped about 3 car lengths back from the other car and then finally rolled up on them. I'm gonna guess old person. It's a Cadillac XTS stock Iowa State Cyclone license plate, alumni, Iowa State sticker, single occupant. I do like how the Mini Cooper is staying back. That's nice of you. I'm not sure your car would do much if it ran into the back of me, but I still appreciate it. All right? I appreciate it. Here we go. It's getting hot. It's 90. Look how far back they are from the other car. Come on now. Oh yeah, I was right. Ah! You red light runner! That is horrible! Oh, you naughty. You naughty. Tell your cat I said psst, 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 psst. Why? How about kitty, 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 kitty? That was obnoxious.